Hi, this video is meant to help you to copy master course content into a Schoology course of your own. So I'm in Schoology here, and the first thing that I want to do is go to groups, and I want to locate the BASD Schoology Templates course. If you are not a member of that yet, you have not joined it yet, I'm going to put the code down in this video at the bottom of the screen that you would use. You want to click on join and enter that code into this area complete with the hyphen, and then you'll be taken into this group. So step one is to get into this Schoology templates group. Then you're going to be taken into it, and you're going to go to the resource area. And there's the code, again, if you need it. So once you're in, you're going to click on resources, and there are two that you may be interested in. One is this Master Honors English 12, and it's dated February 25th, 2017. So basically I made a copy of it here so that if there were any changes made up until then, that they would be reflected. So this is actually a copy of the master course. It's not the master course that the developer works on. We want to preserve the integrity of that course and not provide direct access to it at this time. So you're going to be working on this copy as of February 25th. So the way you use these resources is pretty simple, but you probably want to look at them first before you copy them. But basically, you will copy from this group into your course in Schoology. So click inside to start to take a look at it. And you can preview any of the units, any of the items. So if I want to look at Shakespeare and Hamlet, there's an overview. There's a vocabulary section with vocabulary activities. Okay, I'm going to navigate using the breadcrumbs here. Okay, there's a lesson 2, to be or not to be. And it's set up that there's a getting started, direct instruction, some collaborative activities, and some independent activities, as well as some kind of assignment, could be a journal reflection, and a quiz on the content that was just presented to the student. So how would I copy this over? Well, I could literally copy from the lowest level, meaning the individual item. This is a page. I could just copy this one page by going to the cogwheel and then picking add to course. Okay, or I could do the whole unit. So, and it will copy everything that's in the unit along with it. So if I wanted to copy this Shakespeare and Hamlet, I could go to the cogwheel next to the folder, say add to course, and then it's going to present me with a menu of the courses that I'm a course admin, or I have the ability to change these courses. So I'm going to pick leveraging this one because it's kind of my sandbox course right now. And you can actually put the folder inside another folder, but I'm going to leave it on none so that it just appears on that home page of the course. So I'm going to click on add. And then it gives me a message that the template was added. Now, depending on how much you copy at one time, it may take a little bit longer for it to actually appear. You could actually, I'm going to click on resources. You could copy the entire course over, but just keep in mind that you're going to have to take all the things out of this folder in order for the students to see them. Like you probably want to take, because it's going to be kind of like a folder and a folder and a folder and a folder. So it's up to you as to how you want to do it. I'm going to go to the courses, that course that I copied to, and show you that it's there. So here's the course I copied to, and it generally copies to the bottom of the course. And there it is. It's Shakespeare and Hamlet. So it's got everything intact. I can click on it. And, I could delete things. So if I didn't want the test, I could go to the cogwheel. I could delete it. Or I could move it. And literally, you can move things by clicking and dragging them. So the other thing I just wanted to point out is back in that Schoology templates group, there is in the resources, there is an introduction to an orientation to online learning. It's the first course. You might find that things in the technology orientation might help your students. So for example, how to, personalizing Schoology. So here we have the same folders, direct, collaborative, independent. A lot of the content or instructions are in the direct instruction folder. So how to set up your account, how to set up your notifications, how to connect your Google Drive. Okay, this is in the student orientation, unit 1, personalizing Schoology to stay organized. So you could copy this one little thing to your course if you feel like you want to, give your students a couple of tips on what they should be doing. Please feel free to look through this orientation course and copy over what you'd like. this learning online course is really about, budgeting your time, self-advocacy, self-control, time management. You're welcome to use any of that content as you see fit. And when you get it over into your course, you can edit it, change it. I don't know that you have the ability to change it here in the group, but if you do, I would ask you to refrain from doing that and just change things that are in your courses or things that you copy to resources. All right,